Hi, George here, and today I'll be answering a couple of questions I've been getting recently about how to install or update Camera Raw inside of Photoshop Elements. Now, when you first install Photoshop Elements, it doesn't have Camera Raw installed. I don't know why, but it doesn't. Let me show you what happens if that's the case. Here I am inside my 2025 version. I just did a clean install of this. You can see this. Go up here to File, come down to Open in Camera Raw, and you get this thing here. It asks you to download it. It would then install that. So that's what you have to do. You have to go ahead and install that to get the new Camera Raw for your new version of 2025. It's pretty easy to do. Just click on download. And a couple other questions to go through. English is for me, default location is fine. This is just the location on your computer where it's going to be stored. And the default should be okay. And then let it go ahead and do the installation. And you'll then have Camera Raw installed. And there we go. That took less than a minute to do that. So pretty easy to do. Go up here, we'll try that again. File. And open in Camera Raw. I'll grab a Camera Raw picture right here and open. And there we go. That's now working. Okay, just choose done on that. Now you can check your version of Camera Raw to see if it's up to date by going up here to the Help menu. Then come down here, go to About Plugin and Camera Raw. And this will give you the information about your current version. This is version 17 for 2024. So they haven't come out with a 2025 version yet. I think that normally happens around May or so from Adobe. So that's the current version. Now, Camera Raw doesn't automatically update. So what you should do is, at some point during the summer, just go up here and click on Install Camera Raw. It will then check to see if you have the latest version, and if you don't, it will then download and install that version. And once you have that, you then can go over here and do the Open in Camera Raw. And you can open up any image you want in Camera Raw and use the Camera Raw tools with any image. This is a JPEG, for instance. Open up here inside of Camera Raw. And this makes it much easier for your basic photo adjustments in here. Now, I actually recommend not doing this on a regular image because it's permanent. You can't go back and readjust. I prefer doing things where you can go back and readjust, such as using the layer and adjustment layer options in here. But if you want to do it right on that picture, what I recommend is to save this out first as a new file name, as a backup copy, basically. Let's do this right now. File, save as. And I'll just put a -2 after this and leave all this at maximum. Okay, so now a -2, so it's a new file, not the original file. And now I feel comfortable going ahead and doing my adjustments. Just close this down. There we go. And then reopen this in Camera Raw on our -2 file right there. Choose Open. There we go. Let's just do some exposure settings in here, a little bit of contrast, adjustments. Just little tweakings on these things, a little bit of highlight. I'm just doing it visually so it looks good. A little more on the whites maybe, and a bit darker on the blacks possibly. And I think that's looking a lot better. I'll come down here to this button, and here's the before. There's the after. I think that's vastly improved. Again, real easy to use controls in here. Now, when you're done with this, if you click on Done, it's going to just save this out. If you choose Open, it's going to open this up over in the regular Photoshop Elements, which is still hiding there in the background. You can see that. So there we go. That's how to make sure you have the latest version of Camera Raw installed in your Photoshop Elements. Again, some earlier versions cannot install the latest version of Camera Raw. It's one of the reasons why it's a good idea to upgrade every few years anyway, upgrade Photoshop Elements. But you can make sure you have the latest version that will work in your version of Photoshop Elements. If you want more information about how to work with Photoshop Elements beyond the stuff that I normally teach here on the videos on YouTube and in my regular course, I have my companion program for Photoshop Elements. Is a help program, which I called my HTG Photo Coach for Photoshop Elements. And I have hundreds of articles in there, step-by-step tutorials on how to use every single feature inside of Photoshop Elements, plus some more stuff in there on plugins and so forth, and some actual projects. I also have some step-by-steps in there for many of the projects I have here on YouTube. If you want to find out more about that, I'll put a link for that at the top of the description. Make sure you click that thumbs up and give me a like for this video. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. And I'll see you next time.